What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are finally about to go pick up our Corvette. It's been 2 long days. We were supposed to have it back yesterday. Then they didn't have the bolts for it. They said they had to overnight the bolts. Then we had to wait till this morning. She was like, yeah, you're going to be driving before lunch. I done ate lunch, took 2 showers and everything trying to kill time, man. So let's go pick up this freaking Corvette, dog, so I can slide. Oh, I can't wait to get this, man.
Don't you see how nice my windows look in the sun? Just driving and stuff. It's like on this freeway and shit. Like dark ass tint on that. Are you even listening to what I'm talking about? Are you listening to me?
What are you talking about?
Are you listening to what I'm telling you?
What is she talking about? Oh, we finally made it to Chevrolet, dog. Let's see what we're gonna get hit with. Then they call you, tell you it's ready. Come on down, it's ready. Then you still gotta wait 10 to 15 more minutes because they don't have any paperwork yet. Just fucking paid it, literally got raped. But oh my God, I have not seen my Corvette in forever, guys. Let's check it out. Here it is, guys. Okay. And then, you need to see that at all? Oh, okay, cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you tomorrow with that price.
Perfect, thanks. Oh, guys, we got our Corvette back. So excited, y'all. So excited. Let's see if we hear it. Okay, we got a smooth turn off now. Let's see if we got a smooth turn on. Got a smooth turn on, so the problem is fixed, guys. I'm excited, dog. I can't wait. Whew, back at the house. Had to come relax for a hot sec because, man, I was pretty excited. So my vet is waiting on me already. It is waiting on me, getting cooled down and whatnot. You know, we got the auto start on that joint. Ooh, nice and chilly, just like I like it, y'all. So yeah, let's go to the auction real quick and get this thing cleaned up a little bit, I guess. Alrighty, guys, before we hit the auction, man, we had to come get a quick wipe down. No, I did not run it through, but I had to come use the vacuums and everything. This thing is back looking like mine. Oh, I can't wait to get that super dark tint on that thing, man. That thing is super shining. I'm loving that new ceramic coat, spray that I'm using. Got this thing looking super clean now, man. So let's go ahead and get to the auction, and I'll catch you guys on live. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. As you guys see, we got the Corvette back, and I'm gonna take you guys on a little ride really quick. Hopefully you guys don't fall over and you guys can keep up. I don't know if it's windy in here, so I'll kind of wait till we stop to talk, but you guys get what's going on. It feel good riding in this joint, man. Feel good being back in my vet. Yeah, guys, man, warranty didn't cover the dang vet, dog. I bought warranty, and warranty was like, you only had the car 4 days, so we're not gonna cover your warranty. No, not at all. It was pre-existing. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are back with the Corvette. We finally got this thing back. The warranty, like I said, the warranty did not cover it, man. If you guys tuned into yesterday's live video, you guys got a quick update on the Corvette. You guys already know that the warranty didn't cover it. The dealer I bought it from, they actually pretty much cover most of the payment. So I literally only had to come out the pocket like slim to none compared to what I would have if I didn't have the warranty. Oh. Alrighty, so it's entirely too windy out here. So I'm I doubt if you guys can hear me anyway, so I'm just gonna get some quick slow-mos of this car, and then I'll talk about it with you guys somewhere else where it's not too windy, I guess. Really windy out there, so I'm sure you couldn't even hear me. But yeah, man, we got the Corvette back yesterday. It was supposed to be back like 2 days ago, but they didn't have a boat and they had to like overnight the boat from like Rancho. That truck didn't get here till like later on the next day, so I had to wait a whole nother day. She was like, yeah, it's gonna be done, you're gonna be riding by lunch. Yeah, lunchtime came and I was not riding, so it is what it is. I got that back, but I know what you guys are here for. So yeah, guys, when I first bought the car, I bought it from a dealer. The dealer didn't offer any warranty, but they did offer like a contract company or whatever that offered warranty. So I purchased the extra warranty. It was like 800 bucks. It covered 12,000 miles or a year, whichever one came first. On my paper, it says that I had warranty from 8/20. That's when I bought the car. Now, after I got the warranty, drove back to LA, drove up to Vegas, driving pretty fine. The next day, I turn it on. It sounds like something is like rattling under the car. Kind of drive it a little bit. And then when I get back home, I'm like, yeah, I definitely need to take it in. So I took it into Chevy, and they were saying something about driveline support needs to be removed and replaced. Something with the drive shaft and the drive shaft bearings. Basically, she said if I didn't bring it in, it pretty much would have fell off or whatever the case. It blew up the motor. I don't know, but it would have been a lot more expensive than it was. So with that being said, it was pretty much no way around it. The warranty company did not want to cover it. It was like basically car was already messed up before you got it or whatever the case may be. The warranty people said the car was messed up before I got it. I'm like, did you come check it out? They're like, no. I'm like, so how can you prove that it was messed up before I bought the car? Because basically they said if anything was wrong with the car before you bought it, they don't cover it. Only after you bought the car. So I drove about 900 miles before I took it into Chevy, and I guess that just wasn't enough for them. So they was just like, yeah, you just bought the car 4 days ago, and we're not covering it. So with that being said, I had to go back to the dealer. Of course, the dealer was acting like, yeah, I'm not, I don't have enough profit to give you this, that, and the other. At that point, I wasn't trying to hear none of that. So it was just basically either just give me half of whatever they charge, bro, and I'll be done with it. Because I was getting the money back from the warranty anyway. So that was like 810 bucks. The total price came out to like $5,500 or something like that. Something crazy. So they pretty much paid like, I want to say $810 for the warranty, and then like another $2,000. So pretty much like half of that. And I had to come out the pocket the rest. Pretty tapped right now, to be honest with you guys. I was going to look at something at the auction. I don't even know if I can still get my truck fixed. Probably barely. I'll probably be like scraping up like coins and stuff to pay for it. But I do have my Corvette back. The warranty didn't cover it. The dealer covered half of it, which is cool because they didn't really have to cover anything. So, it just worked out better for me. I didn't have to pay a whole $5,500 that I didn't have. So it is what it is. As for getting the Vette back, I did get it back yesterday. I've been enjoying it all night and all morning. I was supposed to go to the store this morning at like 3-4 o'clock, and I went to the store. I went all around the mountains. Like, I took you guys on a ride with me. You guys seen where I went. So and was just enjoying it with the top off, man, before it got too hot out here. Now it's running pretty cool. It was running good before, but like when on startup, it doesn't do what it was doing before. So it's actually A1 now. I'm actually loving it. Got some really sick pictures in today. So I was planning on getting like some splitters and like some mods done for it, but the way that just hit me over the head, I'm gonna be having to wait for a long time, man. So me personally, would you buy the cheapest Corvette in America again? Definitely not. I would have just saved up the money, like the extra what, 10 to 12 grand and went and got at least a grand sport or something. And really got it from like a dealer, like a actual real dealer. It is what it is. I'm satisfied for now. As for the warranty company, I'm probably going to get a lawyer and just sue them, because it says nothing in their agreement how long you have to have a car before you're able to use warranty. Has nothing in there like that. And then when they when I told them it was the drivetrain and stuff, they was like, well, it's the bearings and blah 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 blah. Basically going around the bush, not trying to pay anything. So trying to deal with that, get some of my money back, and I'll get it all on the back end. So not really worried about it, but you know, I am kind of tapped right now. So if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me get the video out there to more people. So I appreciate you guys, because right now I need all the help and support I can get. But we are on our way to the auction right now. Another auction today. So hang with us. Alrighty, just pulled up to the auction, but they don't really got nothing, man. So y'all see it in the video, but off to the next stop. Alrighty guys, back at the house. Came and got switched up, dressed out, man. About to go get some tint on this bad boy, man. I need this thing blacked out, dog. I can't have nobody seeing in this, and then again it's hot as heck. So let's hop in it. Digging the lineup. I'm digging the lineup, man. I'm digging it. Alrighty guys, we just pulled up to California Auto Glass, man. About to get the tint done on the Vette, man. We got to get this thing blacked out. You know, it's like a fishbowl type still. Like, it got a little tint on there, but it's just like a fishbowl. Like, you can see straight through that. I need that thing super, super dark, man. So my boy about to get me right. We about to get this tint taken off and get darker tint put on all around, man. I'm thinking I want the windshield tinted a little bit, but I don't know. We'll have to see how it's looking once we get going. But so far, so good. I'm digging it, man. What y'all think about it? Yes, I am happy as hell. Happy as heck to have a freaking Corvette, dog. Corvette back. I don't even know. I'm just excited. I can't wait till it's darked out. We can keep this thing a little bit cooler and get it going, dog. So. Alrighty guys, so far my boy got the front windows done. These things are black as can be, looking real good. Still has to clean it up, of course, but once we get in there, man, it's gonna be a lot cooler, because it'd be like 117 out here, man, and we can't just be chilling in that heat. But we got both of the front ones done. He's working on the back one right now. We'll get it done, and we'll be on our way. And just like that, guys, we got this thing murdered out. Windows super black. You can't even see in there. Just how I like it. People be so nosy nowadays. But it'd be nice to get the headlights, all the chrome pieces blacked out. Just murder it out for a little bit until I wrap it at least. But what y'all think though, man? The tint on it is going crazy. I can't wait to see how this thing cool up now. Alrighty guys, we have made it back to the house. We have the Camaro, we have the Vette. Man, if you guys are just now tuning in, man, I appreciate you guys. We got the Corvette back. We got it tinted up now. Super dark tint. You can't see who in that thing, man. All around, so it's definitely gonna keep the car cooler on the inside. Look a little better, man. This thing stays dirty, dog. But everything is flowing down with the Vette, man, so it's time to enjoy it. So if y'all haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. We're about to get ready to head to the city. We gotta go pick up a bunch of stuff for the Harley and try to get it done and figure out the final stuff. We're on the final run, the final stretch rather, for the Harley, man. So if you guys enjoyed the Vette, give me a thumbs up. Got that Vette key back. It's time to get it going, man. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Good looking out. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.